Hi guys, this is Mr. Megbo here. Today we're going to be looking at reverse percentages, again using the Maths GCSE website. This is a grade 5 topic, so it's definitely something that will be worth your while because it comes up quite frequently in exam papers. Please remember to subscribe to my channel if you feel that it is benefiting you. Please hit the like button and the bell notification so that you'll be notified whenever I release a new video. I will also be using calculators in this topic. You will need to be comfortable using a calculator. If you're not, just watch me and then hopefully you'll be able to pick up a few tips and feel more confident when using a calculator to answer this question. As ever, I encourage you to take it step by step. Don't be intimidated by the question. Just start with what you know and then break it down into smaller steps. Even if you don't get the final answer correct, as long as you're showing you're working out and all those working out are correct, you will pick up some marks along the way. These questions are normally 2-mark questions or even 3 marks, but even if it's a 1 marker, as long as you know what the multiplier is, for example, you should be able to use the calculator correctly and pick up that 1 mark. So with all that said, I believe you can totally do this. Let's get to it. So we're looking at reverse percentages from the Maths GCSE website. This is a grade 5 topic. And I'm going to be using calculators for this topic as well. So the first question, the value of a house increased by 6%. The house then had a value of 265,000. Work out the value of the house before the increase. So first of all, you need to find the multiplier for an increase of 6%. So 100 is your original amount. If it's increased by 6%, then that is 106%. So the decimal is 106 divided 100 is 1.06. So this is my multiplier. So the amount that I am increasing by 6% is 265,000. So write down on your exam paper what you're going to type in your calculator, and then this is what you're going to type in the calculator. First question. The value of a house increased by 6%. The house then had a value of 265,000. Work out the value of the house before the increase. So underline the keyword. So before the increase, it was worth something, and then it is now worth 265,000. Okay. It was increased by 6%. So 100% is my original value. It's gone up by 6%, so it's now worth 106%. My multiplier is 1.06, so you do 106 divide by 100, because percent means out of 100. So whatever your multiplier is, you divide it by, whatever the percentage multiplier is, you divide it by 100 to get the decimal value that you need. So an amount multiplied by 1.06 is now 265,000. We want to find out what it was before the increase. 265,000 divided by 1.06 is equal to 250,000. So the reason why I divided was because I don't know what the original value is. So to find out what it is, I need to get rid of this times 1.06. So to do the inverse operation of multiplying by 1.06, you will need to divide by 1.06, which is what I did on the calculator. So 250,000 is what it was before the 6% increase. Second question. In a sale, the normal price of a book is reduced by 20%. The sale price of the book is £4.80. Work out the normal price of the book. So again, we need to work out the normal price of the book. It's been reduced by 20%. So we need to work out the multiplier, which we're going to put here. The sale price of the book is £4.80. So you just highlight the keywords there. So reduction of 20%, you start with 100 and take away 20%, which is 80%. And the decimal value of 80% is 0.8. So this is my multiplier. So to find what the normal price is, we're going to divide by 0.8. So £4.80 divided by 0.8. £4.80 divided by 0.8 equals 6. So the normal price was £6. Question 3. The value of a litre of petrol increased by 8%. So increased by 8%. So 100 plus 8, 108, which is 1.08. That's the multiplier. A litre of petrol then cost £1.62. So that was a final price. £1.62 was a final price. So the increase was 8%. So an amount was increased by 8% and now costs £1.62. So to find the amount before the increase, you're dividing by 1.08. £1.62 divided by an increase of 8%. So it shows 3/2, and then you need to press this button here to convert it to a decimal, which is 1.5. Because it's money, it needs to be £1.50, so you need to put a 0 at the end of that 5. So the original value before the increase was £1.50. In a sale, the normal price of a car is reduced by 30%. The sale price of the car is £6,300. Work out the normal price of the car. So underline the keywords. So it's a reduction. So 100 take away 30. 100% take away 30% is 70%. So 70% means 70 out of 100, which is 0.7. So that is our multiplier. So this is the sale price. So this is the final price, 6,300. So it was something before the 30% reduction. Okay, and to find out what it was before, you need to divide 6,300 by 0.7. Which is 9,000.